In August 2022, we set out for Northern Ontario to experience 8 days in the wilds of Temagami. What awaited us was beyond our expectations and bloomed in us a renewed desire for adventure. Well, we made it across Obabaka Lake. That was something else. We're at our portage, but there's a lot of groups windbound on the north side here, so that was probably the worst waves I've ever paddled in.
So we're not sure if this is the right portage. So we're just looking for a blaze or some sort of sign to bring that place. So this is the first test.
All right, we made it. This is the parking lot at Ferguson Bay. Not too many cars here. Hey, buddy. Hey? Yeah, we're good.
All right, let's do it.
About 9 hours from home to here. We finally made it to Temagami. Here for 7 days, 8 days, next Sunday. First portage of the trip to get to the lake.
Excited, 400 meters, it's a quick one.
And it's a road. And Guy and Jay up there.
Need some help there? You good? That is bonkers.
Pretty calm, man.
Wow.
Oh, this looks nice. All right, let's get out of the way.
Let's take her easy, eh?
Straight that way.
Oh, nice little beach state.
I think there's a couple, like 5 or 6.
Yeah. Wouldn't want to stay here, but
If you had to at the end of your trip.
it's actually not a bad. Portage, and it might be the most steep one. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but that is basically straight up skis. All right, buddy,
Oh my God.
put her down if you need to.
You got everything?
Yeah, I got it all. Let me know if you need me to do anything.
As far as I can go.
Ah.
So you get my
Good. I mean, you want it back heavy now because you're going straight up.
Yeah.
Oh God.
These going up ones are tough. I mean, if we aim for those islands out there, it should help with the wind.
Right.
Yeah, we have to go across the big section of the lake right now.
Same as what we just did though, from the Napoleon Portage. Same distance. It's not too bad. So we are right there. We gotta come up through.
Clear water here.
There's 2 sites on this island on the left here. One on the front, yep. One on the front, right to our left where those rocks are. And then there's one where those people came from, I assume.
Oh, true. Yeah.
Finishing up our last paddles on Lake Temagami here. Sharp Rock Inlet's right in front of us, Sharp Rock Portage. Just a little bit of misty rain, not too bad.
There's a platform out there.
Oh yeah.
Maybe like a little crossing.
Huh.
Maybe an MTB trail. Right.
Got it.
A little.
Yep, 1 sec. Shimmy. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 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 Okay. We're good. Nice job. Oh my God.
I think I'm okay.
Yep.
third part. Just did our second portage. Enjoying the downpour right now.
Diamond Lake. Looking like Misty Lake.
Yeah, really.
Cool. Ready? Little side exit there, eh? Our portage lived up to its name.
Third portion, raining quite a bit. Trying to protect ourselves here. Was pretty good. A little bit rough to get back to the canoes, but here we go.
Checking out a campsite option on Diamond Lake here. Right here. Oh, you guys are smart. I don't know why we made that harder on ourselves, I think. It's a big giant cliff face that way, which would be really cool, but we're not sure about the site. Yeah? Oh, baby. Oh, I think we gotta stay.
Yeah.
I don't think you can beat the view.
Here we are. This is Diamond Lake. This is the view of where we would set up. A little bit of a fall. That's okay. We're safe enough here. We got a tent
Key, what
set
are you doing?
up. You know, I have to put it on my vlog, you know? Like, people need to know this.
What are you, in your 20s?
Well. Well.
Rain continues here on Diamond Lake.
Whoop, whoop.
We are living under a tarp right now, but it's supposed to be nicer later this week, so got some Farco to pass the time.
Yeah, we need to untie this. Because you don't.
Right on time, too?
First we've seen in the sun today, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Amazing how different, like, at home I could care less if I see the sun. Couldn't care less. Right here.
Alright, so Monday morning, we're getting ready to head out. We got about 6 hours before more rain, so we're going to make a run for it. I think we're going to go to Bob Lake.
Excuse me, sir.
And see how the sights are there.
Very much for water.
We're just finishing up breakfast. I got to take all these tarps down. Jay's over there taking his tent down right now. Probably 3 hours of rain today, and then we'll be done. And it's good weather for the rest of the week, so fingers crossed. That cliff, you can't see it on the video, I don't think, but what do we think? That's 30 feet? 40 feet?
It's a trip ender for sure.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, weather looks amazing. Clear tomorrow, so.
Nice.
Alright, we're headed out to Big Bob Lake. Bob Lake. Pretty nasty little put in here though, so. Alright, we're at the Bob Lake Portage. Tough little takeout here, but we got up. The 1200, we're gonna split it 600, 600 and hope one of these sites is available. Finishing up Bob Lake Portage. See it in the background there. Mike Solo carried 1200.
Felt good.
So this is Bob Lake. There's 3 sites. We're not sure if they're busy or not, but We got all the time.
Nice swimming. What's up, buddy? Oh, you know.
Mike solo carried. Your straps around your neck. Nice job, man.
Felt good.
He's gonna have to do the crawl.
You good? Yeah.
Is that an island site, Josh? I can't see him.
I don't think so. Exactly. So we are here.
It's a pretty dry day, would you say? A lot of air pockets. Got the twigger there. Twigger go. Nice. Got to the second side. It's raining. Very good. Set up the tarps. Quite a lot of space. Got a pinger there.
Yeah, they live life at a different speed than we do.
That's for sure. Squirrel, 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 squirrel. Worth it. Still 70%. Water diversion. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Look at that.
Should've got my,
We also collect from this tarp. Bring them together down here in Lake Goodyear. And then well, let's flow now. It was flowing earlier, the hard rain. But we're taking that water right to the lake. We do our part.
So we're gonna go see if we can find some logging camp remnants. They're supposedly just beside our site here. A tin can.
Oh. I found that earlier.
Yeah. Tin.
it's like in that.
There's some braided wire here.
That's
So.
where I found the hook for the,
Oh yeah?
yeah, right next to that thing.
I don't know if we can get all the way there, but worth a shot. This is the corner of an old logging ruin. You can see the foundation kind of goes down that way. Backing up on Bob Lake, and we are off to Ababika today for 2 nights, I think. Site turned out great. We think that's the end of the rain. It's the first blue sky we've seen since we got here, so that's pretty cool. I wonder if that was just part of the logging camp, because that there looks like the rock that goes up.
There's 2 logging camps on my map.
Oh, really?
There's one right where we were and one further down.
Okay.
but it's hard to tell the scale of it.
Yeah.
But I agree, that looks like it was cleared at some point.
Yeah.
Stroke here.
Oh, oh, oh.
Look at that. So sexy.
Oh, nice. That is pretty amazing.
Like a legitimate rock garden down there.
Yeah.
8 or 9 string guitars and a drummer, and that's it. No vocals.
No vocals whatsoever.
Prog metal, yeah. It's kind of hard.
Yeah, I see it. I don't really know where else to put in. Hey, Guy, why is your leg all muddy?
I don't know. I mean, maybe it was the rain from yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, everything was dry this morning. I think he fell in.
Shut up!
This is probably the most beautiful site we've ever stayed on. Huge cliff there. Only one site on this lake. It's my birthday today. 37.
Happy birthday!
37. And this is a pretty amazing site. We're pretty happy. So I think we're gonna hike up to the top of that cliff tomorrow.
That might be one of the better food hanging trees.
True.
What's that?
The one with the view there.
That one there. I'm gonna try for this one.
So there is a trail from the back of our site to the other end of the portage we just did too.
Really?
Yep. So we are headed down the Wakimika Triangle trails off the back of our campsite, which is pretty cool. Did you say you saw a sign, Jay?
Yeah. There's a trail there.
Oh, right here.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. Where's the back? To the right, I think.
We don't get all the way up on top of our Spirit Rock, but we get there. Okay.
Well, let's just at least get to here.
What's this asterisk? Distance marker.
850 meters. It's from
It's
where
not
we
bad.
are.
One click. No big deal.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh my God. So if you're wondering why he has no shirt on, he dropped it on the trail. And now we go find it.
You decided to wear a sweater on a hike.
Yeah. The trails that we're hiking are called the Wakimika Triangle Trails. They're an Aboriginal Vision Quest trail system.
Yeah.
Like if you see a white pine anywhere else, the trunk is like a foot thick at most. Maybe that's a red
This is
pine.
the Three Sisters.
But it's being
3 white pines all grown together. We have to go all the way around here. Yeah, I think we want to go this way.
That looks like it goes to the lake.
Because we want to go this way and then cut onto that and then take that up.
Yeah, so we just came down and we have left or right, so we want to go right.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then we want to go left at the fork. It's the end of Tuesday on Chee-Skon-Abikong. Figure out how to say it today. And I think this is pretty much a perfect day. I don't think there's anything that we would change.
We hiked. It was warm.
Gi might change falling in.
The sun came out. Gi fell. I mean, checked all the boxes.
Pretty good. We are hanging out by the fire reading. Maybe getting into some games when it gets a little darker. It's 8:40 right now. Wednesday morning on Chee-Skon-Abikong Lake, and we are going to head down to Obabika, see if we can find a couple pictoglyphs, one of those. There's a fire tower hike up a mountain where there's an old fire tower we're going to try and find. Just a couple day trip things, and we're back here tonight. So we will take you along with us. This is the portage from Chee-Skon-Abikong to Obabika. 900. We did a lot of this portage yesterday.
Oh, there's the
yeah. Yeah, Guy coming here.
What's up?
The waves aren't.
Yeah, let's go left side and take our time. Yeah, it is. It just
So here we are in Obabika Lake. Wait, is it Obabika or Wakimika?
This is Obabika.
Obabika. Those are the grandparent rocks. Sacred place for the natives.
behind the lee side. Actually, we're gonna go in that. Coming up to Ranger Point here on Obabika. Looks open. We're gonna go do the fire tower trail here.
We survived Ranger Point here on Obabika Lake. They are the grandparent rocks? Yeah. Yeah. Look at the view of the Ranger Point. When it's finishing. We just came here with a wind in front of us. It's the front wind is not fun. But I guess when we come back it's gonna be pretty easy too.
This is a campsite. We were gonna stay here, but I think you heard him, glad we didn't. It's pretty windy, pretty exposed. Good for swimming though. You can see the grandmother rocks right there. And we came all the way down that lake. 6 kilometers right now. Alright, so we're up onto the fire tower trail. We think this is where it is.
Yeah, somewhere there you have to travel around and probably looking for. It's been charted a little bit.
I guess that'd be it, eh? Oh, look at this ladder.
There must have been a tower behind us. This must have been where they slept.
Oh, there's a lot of wire in there. Probably to send up the tower.
This note says 1942.
1942? I doubt it.
I doubt it. Everything else is.
Yeah.
Drill through rock in 42 up here though. Like,
Would they have a generator?
they would have to have a generator.
Yeah.
1950.
I think 1942 was built. That seems to be.
Oh, there's a pen there or
Yeah,
something.
there's a 42 right there.
Well, we found the cabin and the pilings from the water tower. Pretty cool. We think 1940 was the oldest date we found inside of it. I'll have to look that up when we get home when it was built.
Yeah. There we go.
It should be good now. That's what happens when I look down for 2 seconds. I look down at the map and that happened. I can't stop looking. Oh!
What happened?
They almost dunked. Woo, baby!
Wow.
Heavy crossing on Obabaka Lake there,
Yeah.
but we made it. We got a little bit left.
Also hard without the pack, man. Just riding really high.
That was something else. We're at our portage, but there's a lot of groups windbound on the north side here, so that was probably the worst waves I've ever paddled in.
Yeah.
Just finishing up our 13-kilometer day as of right now. We see our lake in the distance on this portage. Mike and I split this 900 back. That was a really nasty crossing of Obabaka. Another group there said there was a group of 30 people on Wakimika last night, and that's where we were supposed to stay. So I'm glad we didn't, because that would have sucked. But made it back to Chee-Skon-Abikong. It's time for some lunch.
So, into forecast. We were supposed to get some rain today. I mean, there's a probability. Seems okay, right? So, we should have entered our tents. But, might be a little too late now. So, we're just, gonna wait it out. Yeah. Yeah. Holy, it's intense.
Rain jacket's in here somewhere.
Yeah, mine too. You want to try to get it?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. I don't know. Should we make a run for it or?
Up to you. I'm staying here.
Yeah. I'm gonna get.
Rain jacket's in there.
All right.
I don't know where my pack is. Nope.
No?
Well, not that I know.
Okay. Bluish at the end there, where the portage was.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're right in the middle. And here I thought we were gonna be safe. I just got curious. So, in London, it's it's almost at the same level as Neck One.
Just finishing up our second night on Chee-Skon-Abikong. It was a really busy day today. 5-kilometer paddle, really wavy, as you saw. 3-kilometer hike up and down. 5-kilometer paddle back, super wavy. And then a big thunderstorm hit, which I haven't recorded much of, but we've been getting on and off thunderstorms for a couple hours now, but it's pretty good right now. So we are off to Wakimika Lake tomorrow.